Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was and once lost, but now I'm found. My life, but now I see the place that oh my heart broken. This is one thing.
Tuloy yung pangarap.
Isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala, ako'y naninipag at ang lahat makakakit.
Ano?